Want to turn simple text into a cool pop art image using just your S Pen and save it right into your gallery? On the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Drawing Assist has a text-to-image feature that lets you create artwork instantly. Today, we will use the pop art effect and download the result. To do so, remove your S Pen to open up the Air Command menu. Then tap Drawing Assist. Now, tap the text to image field. Type your prompt. For this example, let's write city skyline. It's simple and perfect for pop art. Tap Done. Select pop art as the effect. Then tap Generate and wait for your artwork to appear. When the image is ready, look at the icon above it and then tap the download icon to save the pop art image directly to your gallery. And that's it. You have just turned text into a fun pop art picture using your S Pen and save it with one tap. You can try different prompts and effects to get more creative. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.